Do you find research challenging to read and understand? Written specifically for nursing and healthcare students by experienced nursing and healthcare lecturers, this book will help students develop a critical eye in understanding research and provides them with the skills they need to master. Each chapter takes readers through a different published journal article, examining it step by step and pointing out key features and decisions made, explaining the underpinning research method used or design applied, including reflections from the paper's original authors providing further insight. This core textbook for nursing and healthcare undergraduate students is designed to equip them with the required skills through detailed analysis of real research articles. Visit sagepub.co.uk to order the book today.